Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you one of the best platform where you can submit your game. You can also generate some revenue with your game. I'm going to share with you a step by step so you can watch this full video without skipping any part. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. Guys, I wanna share with you this platform called jogos.com. You can see this platform have lots of games. Here you can see game categories, multiplayer, action games, sports, 3D, car driving, puzzle, and there are many more. You can submit your game on this platform. Let me show you how users can play games on this platform. Users can play any of this game. For example, if you want to play game on this platform, then you can click any of this game. Now click on play now button. You can play your game online. You can play any of this game. Guys, similarly you can play any of this game. Now let me show you how you can submit your game on this platform. You can scroll down. Here you can see developers option. You can click here. Here you can see your game awaited by billions of players. Using this platform, you can get lots of users on your game. You can simply click on submit my game button. Now first of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can continue with Google or you can type here your email address. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can select your language. You can select here your game language. You can type here your game name. After entry, you cannot modify your game name. Guys, I have made this simple game with the Tipstv4you platform. I'm going to submit this game. Here is showing game name. Copy this game name. Now you can go on this platform. You can paste your game name. Now select your gameplay. Select your category. Now you can select your game art. You can choose game arts according to your game. Now you can select your graphics dimension according to your game. Here you can see game monetization models. You can choose free to play games. You can choose buy to play games, or you can choose this option. If you want to sell your game, then you can choose this option. I'm going to choose this option. You can scroll down. You can upload your cover image of your game. Here you can see ratio. Your cover image should be in this ratio. Here is a cover image. I'm going to change its size. You can visit on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform. You can click on open from computer button. Now you can select your image, click on open button. Click on image button. Here you can see image size option. You can click here. Now you can change your width and height of this image. Here you can see this platform is accepting 1920 into 1080. You can visit on this platform. You can type here 1920. Now type your height 1080. Now click on OK button. You can click on File button. Click on Export button. You can select here this option. Click on Save button. Now you can go on jogos platform. You can click here. You can select this image. Click on Open button. Similarly, you can resize this image in this ratio. You can visit on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform. You can click on Image button. Click on Image Size button. You can type your width 800. Type your height 800. Click on OK button. Click on File button. Click on Export. Select this option. Click on Save button. Now go on this platform. You can upload here that image. Now in next step you will have to upload your video. You can upload video in MP4 format. You can start screen recording and then you can play this game. You can upload your gameplay video. Now you can scroll down. You can type your game description. You can select your tags. Guys, these tags will work as a keyword. You can select your gender. Now you can type your controls. Tell your players how to play. Now if you want, you can type your FAQs. After completing all these setups, you can click on create game button, click on confirm button. Here you can see details. You can select your regions. Now you can scroll down. You can click on save button. Now you can click on this button. You can select your engine type. You can select engine according to your game. You can scroll down. You can choose this option. Now you can upload your game file. Guys, I have made this game using DeepSeek platform. Here is showing HTML file. You can click here to copy this HTML file. You can open Notepad. You can paste here that HTML code. Click on file button. Click on save as button. Now you can select your folder. You can type your file name index.html. You can click on save button. Now you can compress this file into zip format. You can visit on jogos platform. You can click here. Now you can select this zip file. You can click on open button. You can click on save button. You can scroll down. Here you can see game file uploading. You can click on this button. You can click here to play your game. Here you can see they are asking some questions. You can answer all of these questions. And at last you can click on save button. In next step you can click on submit button to submit your game on this platform. After getting approval your game will go live on this platform. Here you can see total players. Now you can click here to see overview of your game. You can click here to see ad revenue. You can see here your game revenue. Let me show you how you can receive your amount. You can click on account button. Now click on billing button. You can click on this button. Now click on add button. You can select here your country. You can select your payment method. For example, you can select your PayPal. Now you can type here your PayPal email address. At last, you can click on confirm button. You can receive your game revenue on your PayPal account. So friends, you can use this method to submit your game on this platform. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.